So here we are, here's the Wingnetic, and it's all finished, ready to fly. And as I said, it's a bit different to your average Wingnetic. I made some changes. You can see I've got the 2207 mini quad motor on the front here, and I've got a 5x4 bullnose prop 2 blade. Everything else is pretty standard. I did put some fuel line over the crevices because they didn't seem to clip together particularly well. And I'm using 9-gram servos as I suggested I would be. As you can see on the bottom here, there's the old HobbyKing orange servos, same there. Not much else. I did make a few, well, not structural, but basic design changes. If I take this off, you'll see I have my battery in the front. What's with that? Well, it balances with the battery in the front because I've got a lighter motor. So in the back, I just have my receiver kind of with the battery strap there. So you can see that, yeah, that's simple as. I've got both my antennas poking out here, and yeah, it's pretty much ready to go. So not much for it but to give the damn thing a maiden. So let's switch to hat cam. Okay, yeah, bit of a sad tale, I'm afraid, folks. Yeah, I'm human. This is the Wingnetic, as you can see. Damn, I forgot to turn on my hat cam. Well, actually, I pressed the button and it went beep, but I must have turned it off, which is like really, really annoying because this was the result of the maiden flight. Now, I've seen quite a few of these Wingnetics looking a little bit customized in the front like this, and mine is too. Now, it was my own fault. Just to fill you in, I had very minimal throws on the elevator, about 5 mils up and down, and I had the center of gravity not in the place stated in the manual, but further back, about 235 millimeters from the front. So it should have flown really well, and I launched it. It climbed out nicely. I had to hold a bit of up on out of the launch, climbed out nicely. I let go of the up, and before I could react, it just went straight into the ground and hit the tarmac, and as a result, I don't know why the propeller's bent forward. That's very odd. It went vertically straight down into the ground. The motor is buggered. It's obviously got a bent shaft. It turns so far and then stops. So that's stuffed. The front, we're going to do some severe rhinoplasty here to get this back into shape. So that was the unseen maiden flight of the Wingnetic. I wish I'd caught it on video because it looked really good. So there you go. Yes, that's kind of an unfortunate tale. But I will now set about repairing this because I'd like to fly it, and I'm pretty sure I can tweak around maybe a bit of expo. I don't know. I had some expo in there, so everything should have flown out of the, out of the launch, and it did until I let go of the elevator. So maybe I just needed more up trim, and it's really, really pitch sensitive. So that's the situation. Now I will get back to this bench, this build table, fix this damn thing up, and we'll try it again. I did find something that might be useful, actually. I found this. It's about the right size motor they talk about, but it's 4,000 kV. What would that wouldn't hurt, would it? 4,000 kV? What do you reckon, folks? I mean, I was actually going to put this on my next bonsai, but never mind. I have got another one of these 2207 motors. It may be reverse rotation, but that doesn't matter because you use a pusher prop and away you go. So I will repair this, and we've got a good weekend coming up. The weekend, Saturday, Sunday, is supposed to be really good weather. So hopefully I can remaiden this. Then it's got a bit of a front bum now. Look at that. I have to glue some bits back together, but overall the model survived pretty damn well. The servos are okay. They haven't stripped or anything. It's only this section forward that's actually been damaged. So it should be a relatively trivial task. I'll make up a plywood motor mount, and so yeah, even the hatch cover wasn't damaged. So brilliant. So we'll get that going. Stay tuned. Just letting you know, I am human just like everybody else, and sometimes those maidens, they just don't go to plan. So there you go. Stay tuned. I have also got this on the bench, of course, on the build table, and there will be a fixed wing Friday tomorrow. The weather has been relentless. It's blowing a gale out there now. It's threatening to rain again. I've not known a consistent spell of bad weather like this at this time of the year, so maybe it's the climate change they're all talking about. Who knows? But anyway, stay tuned. Yes, there will be a fixed wing Friday tomorrow. It may be more of a theory than a practical, but if you ever wanted to know how a model flies and what all the different factors affecting its stability and performance are, I might try and condense that into a video for tomorrow with all the essential facts you need to know to design your own models, because hey, building from ARFs and kits is fine, but it's so much more fun if you scratch build with a design that comes straight out of your head. There you go. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Fixed Wing Friday tomorrow. Bye for now.